Hello everyone, you all hear me talking about my oatmeal. I'm making my batch of oatmeal. Well, here's what goes in it. I get 1 cup of oats. I fill it to the cup, like a cup and a quarter. I pour it in that bowl there. I put about maybe a teaspoon of cinnamon. I just put a few, I shake some cinnamon in it. I don't really measure it. 1 apple I slice up and cut up and put in there. The main good ingredient is this Martha's Natural Almond Butter. Creamy. And I put 3 packed tablespoons of brown sugar in it. And I forgot that ingredient. And about a quarter cup plus of some raisins. I mix it up in that bowl. I put 12 ounces of hot water in it from the Keurig. Then I put it in the micro. And 1 banana also I slice, small banana. And I put it in the microwave for about 2.5 minutes. Mix it up real good because that water's hot already. Then I put it in for about another 1.5, 2 minutes. Mix it up. And I put it in my dessert dishes. So, when I wake up or come back from the gym, I just grab one of them and eat it. Not every day, when I want to have my oatmeal. It's all ready and then I think oatmeal is better cold. It gets more flavor. And if I taste that now, it's not as flavorful. It's got more flavor in it the next day or so. It's a lot better tasting cold, I believe. And then I might put a little milk on top and heat it in the microwave for 30 seconds, for half a minute, just to heat it up to make it a little soft. So that's my batch of oatmeal. So that batch there, 1 cup, about a cup and a quarter, will make 4 dessert dishes. Then I put them in the refrigerator and that's it. So, my first food video. So, take care and make it to the gym. So it's my TGIF food tutorial, whatever they call it. See ya.